How to make AI videos for affiliate marketing with a single click. What's up everyone, James Jernigan here, and today I want to show you a simple tool that will generate affiliate marketing videos, and all you have to do is literally click a button, and you can use this tool to generate thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions. So if that's something you're interested in, take a second and comment yes on this video right now if you'd pay $1 for a bot that literally makes money for you. So unfortunately, this is not free. If you're looking for free, this is not the video for you, but this is the next best thing, because for $1 you can get access to this tool and do exactly what I'm going to show you here, which is create engaging AI videos with a single click. So I'll go ahead and show you the exact steps. Obviously, the first step is to grab the $1 trial at oneclickvids.com. Now, I don't know how long this is going to be available for. This recently changed from being a 7-day trial for $1 to being a 1-day trial for $1. So take advantage of this while you can. Now, what this tool does is literally just that, generates videos from a single click. You type a sentence into this box here, you click generate video, and it uses AI to create a custom script, custom images for the video. It will put captions on the video, and you can even add music. And what's cool is you can even click this custom options here and change the voice. There are dozens of voices that come programmed in here, or what you can do is actually input your own 11 Labs API key and create an AI version of your own voice. Now, what's even cooler than that is the avatar option will let you add a custom avatar of yourself or any other image that you want. You can turn into a talking head on the video that's going to speak for you. But here's what I just created recently. I literally typed one sentence into this box, and this is what it came up with.
Imagine a future where innovation meets creativity, encapsulated in a single visionary entity. Introducing our futuristic robot, a marvel of technology that transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary. With the power to tap into your vision, this robot creates stunning videos from just a single sentence. Watch as your thoughts are brilliantly translated into spectacular visuals.
So all of these images were just generated using AI, as well as the script. This entire video was just created in a few seconds just from clicking a button. So literally all you have to do is click this button as many times as you want to create as many videos as you need. And again, for a limited time, you can do that for $1 and create as many as you want in one day at oneclickvids.com. So the next step, how do we actually make money with this? How do we turn these videos into money? Well, you're going to need to choose a tool to promote, and if you don't already have something to promote, you can head to botchecklist.com, and at botchecklist.com for free you can grab a list of my top performing affiliate offers. This is a checklist of different tools and software and bots that people can use to make money online with, and most of them let you sign up for free to become an affiliate. So then all you have to do is put that affiliate link in your profile of your social media account. Here's an example on TikTok, or you can put it in the comments of the videos, and then when your videos start generating hundreds or thousands of views per day, then you start getting clicks on your affiliate offers, and the more people who click, the more people who buy, and the more money you make. So that's pretty simple. That's how it works. So then the next step is to literally just create AI videos about your tool. I already showed you how to do that. You just come into the tool here at oneclickvids.com, you type your sentence, you click generate video, and then you just go ahead and download that video, upload it to your social media account. And again, assuming you have an affiliate link in your profile, then you can start earning money from these AI generated videos. So again, if you need something to promote, if you don't have anything that currently makes you money online, head to botchecklist.com, grab the list of affiliate offers, and then you're up and running. So then the last step, if you really want to automate this process, is to schedule out these AI videos using automation so that you don't have to log in and upload these every day. So there is an easier way to do this. I'm going to show you how to do it manually, but if you stick around till the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to schedule 60 AI videos to all of your accounts in the next 10 minutes. So before I do that, I'll show you how to do this manually, how to schedule the AI videos using automation. So I have a link to this scheduling tool in the description of this video, but you'll literally just come here and click this button here, and then you click new post, and you can create your posts one at a time here, and you'll just click reel and upload the video. And it's that simple. You can go through and do this one by one, or you can put the content into a spreadsheet. So if you come here and you click this arrow again and you click import, it will give you a sample spreadsheet that you can download that will be blank. But what I've done is gone ahead and filled this in. I've put links to 60 of my videos here. I've put hashtags for all these videos. I put titles for them. So literally all you have to do, if you want to schedule 60 AI videos to all of your accounts in the next 10 minutes, is grab my checklist from aicontentpack.com, or my spreadsheet rather, and then you'll grab this spreadsheet, you'll select today's date, and then you'll click this blue dot right here and drag this down to the bottom of the spreadsheet. So that's going to fill in the dates to schedule this content for the next 2 months. So then you'll simply come here to File, Download, and click where it says CSV. Make sure you click the CSV option to download that spreadsheet. And then once you've downloaded that spreadsheet, all you have to do is come here to the tool, click Import, click this button here to import it, or you can just drag and drop, and that's literally going to upload these videos to your social media accounts for the next 60 days. You can sync this up to post to TikTok, you can post to Instagram, to Facebook, and to YouTube all at the same time using this one simple tool. So like I said, the tool, if you want to do this manually, the tool is linked down in the description of this video. And if you want to just upload my videos, if you just want 60 done for you AI videos scheduled to your account in the next 10 minutes, then grab my spreadsheet from aicontentpack.com. Other than that, I hope this helped show you how to automate your video content faster than ever before using artificial intelligence. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to take a second to click the like button. It takes me quite a bit of time to make these videos. It only takes you a split second to click the thumbs up and show your appreciation. If you want to see more content like this in the future, be sure to click the bright red subscribe button down below. And if you want to see the content right away, click the bell icon too. That will give you notifications each time I upload a new video. Other than that, I hope you have a great day. I hope you make a bunch of money online, and I hope to see you in the next AI money making video.